Good morning, students. Last period we completed till page number 54, last para. Okay, the king was very glad to have made peace with the enemy so easily and to have gained him for a friend. He not only forgave him but said he would send his men and his own physician to attend to him. In this way, king made friendship with his enemy. Now see here page number 54, questions. One question given. Why had the wounded man asked for the king's pardon? See answer page number 54. First you see the question. The wounded man asked for the king's pardon because after that, see here. First you write the king, you add the king executed his brother dash 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 till 10th line, you have saved my life, till you have saved my life. Okay, the king have, okay, you have means here king had saved his life till here my life. And one more question given. What qualities of the king stand out as he forgave his enemy? The king was generous and kind. After that you add here last para. The king was very glad to have made dash 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 till attend to him. After that again you add the king himself washed the wound and dressed it. All these qualities of the king stand out as he forgave his enemy. At last you add, okay. And now see, let's continue page number, where? Page number 55. The hermit was outside on his knees sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. Day before he dug that beds, no? So now he started sowing seeds. Next, the king approached him and said for the last time. Now again king come near him, means here hermit, and at last he said for the last time, I pray you to answer my questions. I pray you means I request you to answer my question. Please, I request you. I pray you means I request you to answer my questions. Wise man, he called hermit as a wise man. Okay. Now, you have already been answered, said the hermit, still crouching. Crouching means bending. Okay, still doing his work. That means on his thin legs and looking up at the king who stood before him. You have already been answered means I had already given answer. Who said? Hermit said. Crouching means what? Bending. Okay, meaning. Now what do you mean? Asked the king. When you had given me answer, okay, king asked. Means king was confused or puzzled. Do you not see? Replied the hermit. If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday, after seeing my weakness, you showed pity on me, mercy on me, and you helped me and stayed to dig these beds for me. You helped me and you helped me to dig these beds for me. Yesterday you helped. No, you would have gone back and been killed by that man. So the most important time was when you, see here, important time was that, so the most important time was when you were digging the beds and I was most important man and to do me good was your most important business. Afterwards, the most important time was when you were attending to that man, for if you had not bound his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So, he was the most important man and what you did for him was your most important business. Okay, you saved that man's life, that most important work, and you saved his life, no, that most important business. You helped that man. So, that is most important business. Remember then, there is only one time that is important now. It is the most important time because It's the only time when we have any power. The most necessary person is the one with whom you are, for you do not know whether you will ever have dealing with anyone else. And the most important thing is to do this person good, because for that purpose alone were you sent into this world. Now see, at last hermit answered all kings all three questions. Okay, the most important time is now, the present moment, he said, and the most necessary person is the one with whom you are. That is most important person. Okay, the most necessary person is the one with whom you are, and the most important thing is to do good to the person you are with. Okay, this is the reason we are given this life of a human being. At last hermit explained the king. Okay, king also happy after listening hermit's answers. Okay, he was happy. Now see here, one question given. How did the hermit finally point out the answers to the king's question? See here, see the question first. Okay, the hermit finally point out the answers to the king's questions. That, see here, only one time that is important now, dash 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 dash, till into this life. Okay, only one time that is important now, dash 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 dash, till you sent into this life. Answer. Okay, now see down here, fill in the blank. Here, read the story and answer whether the following statements are true or false. Here question given, true or false. The people convinced the king to make a proclamation. False. Okay, actually kings thought that, made proclamation. Okay, and tried to find out his question, find the answer to his questions. Next, the hermit spoke usually to everyone. No, only common people or common folk you want to speak. Next, the king received all answers from the hermit. Yes, at last he received all answers from the hermit. The person the king saved and helped was his enemy. True. Yes, to do good to people is the purpose of our life. True. Okay, now next page, page number 56 and 57. 56 and 57, page number 56 and 57, that bold reduced. Okay, bold reduced this portion. Page number 57, page number 57, page number 57. See, some questions given. Write down in your notebook 2 points for each of the following. How do you know? See, first question. The learned advisors who came to the court confused the king. How they confused the king? By giving the king different answers and confused the king. Second, the king was humble. How you come to know the king was humble? The king was doing ordinary work such as digging. He didn't force the hermit to answer his questions. In this way, we come to know king was humble. The king's enemy was repentant. The king's enemy tells him that the king had saved his life, so he would serve him all his life. In this shows that king's enemy was repentant. Okay. Now D. The hermit was truly wise. He knew everything and not answered earlier, and at last he answered a real and practical way. At last he answered a real and practical way. Okay. This all important. Okay, question number 5, question number 6, that all important. Page number 56 and 57, reduced portion. Okay, now see next here, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Varied means what? Different. Varied means different. Many learned people came to the court and gave what? Different answers. Next, the synonym of convinced is what? Pursued. Correct meaning pursued. Okay. The king wanted to know the dash time to begin everything. Right time. Okay. Right time. I pray you to answer my question. Here pray means what? Request. Pray means request. I request you to answer my question. Okay. Here pray means request. Choose an adverb that collocates with breathed. Okay. Breathed heavily. Okay. Breathed heavily. And question number 7. Homework for you. Question number 8. That arrange in proper order. Arrange the sentence in proper order. Which one comes first? First which one? The king executed the bearded man's brother. That first. Okay. C. Option C first. And second, the bearded man resolved to kill the king. Second. A. Option A. Okay. And third, the king went alone to see the hermit. That option B. Third answer. Okay. Fourth, which sequence? E. The bearded man laid an ambush to kill the king. And fifth one, G. Option G. Okay. The bearded man came out of the ambush. That. And sixth one, F. The king's bodyguards recognized and wounded the bearded man. And seventh one, D. Option D. Okay. The king spent the night at the hermit's hut. And question number 9, homework. And question number 10, see that the following compound words from the story are spelt in a jumbled order. Arrange the letter in proper order and make meaningful word. Okay. Actually which one? This one. Undertake, anyone, pastimes, bodyguard, warfare, beforehand. Sixth one, beforehand. Seventh one, what? Meanwhile. Eighth one, everything. Okay. And see B. Here, from the story, find the collocation of the following combination of two words. That collocation already I explained. You watch my video, collocation video. Okay. Now see, dash important, most important. Frail and weak. From the lesson you will get these all answer. Right time. Simple, close. Dash, asleep. Fell asleep. And here, what? Gazing intently. Widely renowned. Warm blood. Eyes closed. Made peace. Now see, question number 11. Say whether the verbs underlined in the sentence are finite, means limited by the number or person of the subject, or non-finite, not governed by the subject, number or person. Okay. Finite and non-finite already you watch my video. Okay. Finite and non-finite verb. Okay. You watch my video, you will get information about that. Okay. Verb that changes its form are called finite verb. Verb that never changes its form are called non-finite verb. Okay. Verb that changes its form, finite verb. Verb that never changes its form called non-finite verb. Now see here, he decides. Decides finite verb to go infinitive. So non-finite. Okay. To go non-finite. Now see next page. Next page. Page number 60. Okay, next I have come to you, wise hermit. Here come, that also finite verb. Okay, verb that changes its form. He gave the reward to none. Here gave also finite verb. The hermit was digging the ground, non-finite. Okay. I pray, here pray, finite verb, to answer, infinitive, non-finite verb. Okay. Forgive me, here forgive, finite verb. The sun began to sink, here began, finite verb, and to sing non-finite verb. And 12, 13 and 14, that also reduced portion. Thank you.